Hey guys, today we have a quick and simple video on how I harvest, blanch and freeze my carrot crop for later consumption. It's the fall and we have some cold weather coming and I don't want to risk my carrots to the frost, so it's time to get them out of the ground. My carrots weren't thinned out very well this season and I ended up with more and shorter ones than normal. That means that they're close together and harder to get out of the ground, so I'm going to need a shovel to help loosen up that soil. Now that I've got those carrots out of the soil and into a container, it's time to clean them up enough to bring them inside for processing. Let's remove those large chunks of soil and get those carrot tops off. Here I'm going to dump out all the carrots and show you a quick time lapse of that process. And now we're inside, scrubbing off any remaining soil. Not a bad looking crop this year. Next it's time to cut them up into slices. Now it's time to throw them into some boiling water for about 5 minutes until they are a little tender. I'm also going to prepare a large cookie sheet with some parchment paper. Once they're a little soft, use a large spoon with holes in it or a skimmer like I'm doing here to transfer the carrots over to that cookie sheet. When I place the carrots on the cookie sheet, I don't mind that there are 2 to 3 carrots deep. And from here, we're going to move them into the freezer until they're frozen. They've been in the freezer for a good hour. Now it's time to pick up that parchment paper and transfer them over to the storage bags. I like to drop the bag a few times lightly to help separate the carrots that might be frozen together. That way they'll be easier to remove from the bag in the future. The last step, of course, is to put them in the freezer for later use. I hope that you found this information helpful on how I harvest, blanch and freeze my carrots. If so, give me a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.